So there was this girl in my class, and she keep making weird farting nose like, girl, stop doing that. And when she does that, the other people kept doing it like it's not funny. And I told her to stop, but her other friends do farting. No, girl, so I told my teacher, Mrs. Colloy. And then my teacher told me that they keep doing it all the time, so I left it. And one day when was lining up for gym, she did a rude thing like, Melissa, stop, girl. And I told my friends, they didn't believe me like, besties, can you stop believing in them? They are not nice. So when I was at lunch, I sat next to my besties. And then Melissa and her gang made these weird fart noise again, like, ah. And then I told the teacher, who was basic like the lunch counselor. She told them to stop, they won't listen. And months they keep making these nosy e's. And finally, the lunch counselor told my teacher, and they got in trouble. Like, girl, that was karma law. And Melissa, I know you're watching it, and I'm telling you to stop it. So that's it, guys. Comment what you thought. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.